My green group, Miss C here. I hope that you all are safe and that you are still in high spirits. And like in showbiz we say, the show must go on. So today's lesson will be about adding on to everything that we did last class, and we will reiterate that so that we all have a nice fresh review. But before we get into any of that, let's warm up. So, in last class, just to review for our brains, we did catch the 8, which was electric. We played our game of Simon Says, which love. Of course, no one got to tap Kayla out. Nobody tapped out, but that's okay. And then we talked about formation, and then we started our combination. Now, with that being said, since we are working toward a common goal, which is our showing performance, I think that we should definitely showcase Simon Says in our tap outs, okay? So with that being said, I would like everyone to come up with 8 moves, separately standing, that you would throw while playing Simon Says to get people to tap out, okay? Now remember, if you're tapping out, tap out with swag, yeah? Always go out with swag. Also, we started a combination briefly. I know that we were going to intertwine dance movements with my choreography and your choreography as well. So with that being said, we are going to review the 3 steps that we did end up coming up with in class. And then I would love for everyone to come in with at least 3 moves to contribute to the choreography, and wherever there are holes, Miss C will fill in, and then we will go from there. Now, we did a lot in class. If you want to have a discussion about what you feel most comfortable feeling, if it's not Simon Says and it's not the combination, then we can also have that discussion. But for now, bring in 4 moves to contribute into our overlaying choreography, and then come up with 8 moves that you can throw in Simon Says. Yes? Okay. Our combination, and review this with me. So I know we did step swipe. Kayla threw a move here and here, and then we boom, melted somewhere. Yes? So, let's run all that back. I am stepping on my left foot first and crossing my right foot in front, okay? So I'm going step cross, but as I'm crossing, I'm pushing away, okay? So that looks like this. Step cross. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, okay? We're going to bring it together to step on our right foot, to cross with our left foot and swipe our left arm. Yes? So this side looks like step cross, okay? If we put those movements together, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, step cross. Together, step cross, together. Yes? One more time, my feet alone for your brains. 6, 7, left foot goes step cross. Together, right foot goes step cross, together. With our arms, 6, 7, 8, step cross, together, step cross, together. Moving forward, we have our feet together. We are throwing it away while we are bending our knees and our body is going towards the back, okay? We do that for our right, and for our left, we do that twice. So that'll be 4 swipes behind, okay? So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Let's connect the 2. So our first move, step sway. and then our 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step swipe. Step swipe. Feet together. Go back, 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 back. Moving forward. You choose a pose, any pose. We get into that pose and we melt from that pose. Okay? Let's say that we melt for 4 counts. Subject to change, but 4 is the safety. Okay? So after we go 1, 2, 3, 4, we pose. Bring it down, 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 down. Okay? Let's do all of that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, cross. Step, cross. Go 4, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pose, melt. 3, 4. Yes? Great. Now, bring in 4 moves to add to the choreography. We will overlay it, and we will build more on this in class the next time I see you. Okay? I cannot wait to see you all.